Today I bring you 25 machines for business that you can import from China to build a profitable company with low investments. These machines are designed for various markets: food, technology, and more. The import guide from China is available in the link in the description. Stay until the end, because one of these machines could be the key to building your company. Let's get started. Machine number 1. Machine for making ice cubes or flakes. Ice is indispensable in bars, restaurants, stores, and social events, so its demand never ceases. With this machine, you can produce high-quality ice cubes or flakes, ideal for any occasion. Start by offering your products to local businesses, parties, or fairs, and as you grow, expand your reach with delivery services. You can package the ice under your own brand, differentiating yourself with quality and reliability. Additionally, this business has low operating costs and a steady flow of income, perfect for entrepreneurs seeking stability. With dedication, you could become the main supplier in your community. Approximate investment, $380. Machine number 2. Machine for making homemade sausages. The sausage business is versatile and profitable, as you can create unique recipes adapted to your customers' tastes. With this machine, produce fresh artisanal sausages in large quantities, ideal for selling at local markets, butcheries, or events. Offer traditional, gourmet, or even healthy versions to attract different audiences. Attractive packaging and good marketing will make your brand stand out in the competitive food market. Approximate investment, $238. Machine number 3. Machine for chopping vegetables for restaurants. Optimize the time of industrial kitchens, restaurants, and caterings with this machine. It facilitates the process of chopping vegetables in large quantities, ensuring uniform and consistent cuts. You can offer vegetables ready to cook in practical portions, ideal for fast food businesses or supermarkets. It is a key tool in the gastronomic sector that reduces operational costs and increases the efficiency of clients. A simple business with high demand. Approximate investment, $697. Machine number 4. Machine for making artisanal soaps. Create personalized soaps with natural ingredients and unique designs. This machine allows you to manufacture eco-friendly products that you can sell at fairs, specialized stores, or online. Differentiate yourself with exclusive fragrances and attractive packaging to capture a growing market. Your soap brand can stand out in the competitive world of natural products. Approximate investment, $600. Machine number 5. 3D printing machine for small parts. With a 3D printer, you can design and manufacture unique pieces like personalized jewelry, decorative accessories, or even industrial prototypes. This business allows you to serve specific niches that value creativity and exclusivity. Additionally, you can expand your market by selling your products on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. 3D printing has enormous potential to scale and diversify your income, opening doors in sectors such as design, architecture, and personalized gifts. Approximate investment, $541. Machine number 6. Machine for dehydrating food. Capitalize on the growing trend of healthy snacks with this machine. Produce dehydrated fruits, dried meat, or vegetable chips that you can sell in gyms, natural food stores, or online platforms. Customize your products with unique flavors and attractive packaging to stand out in a booming market. With a good marketing strategy, you could turn your brand into a reference for nutritious and preservative-free foods. An ideal business to start from home. Approximate investment, $713. Machine number 7. Laser cutting and engraving machine. This machine is perfect for creative entrepreneurs looking to enter the personalization market. You can engrave or cut materials such as wood, leather, and acrylic, creating unique products like keychains, personalized signs, home decorations, or special gifts. Platforms like Etsy or Amazon Handmade are ideal for selling these pieces globally. With creativity and good marketing, you can build a business that stands out in the competitive market of custom-made products. Approximate investment, $790. Machine number 8. Machine for planting seeds in trays. Make efficient and fast planting easy with this machine, ideal for nurseries, farms, or gardening enthusiasts. Prepare organized seedlings that you can sell to farmers, gardening stores, or individuals interested in urban gardens. Sustainable agriculture and home gardens are on the rise, making this business have a growing market. With a focus on the quality of the seedlings, you could become a reliable and well-positioned supplier. Approximate investment $1,700. Machine number 9. Machine for bottling liquids like juices or oils. This machine is ideal for entrepreneurs looking to professionalize their business of liquid products. You can bottle natural juices, essential oils, or sauces, ensuring hygienic and visually appealing packaging. Good packaging not only protects your product, but also enhances its quality perception, helping you compete in larger markets like supermarkets or specialized stores. With this tool, you can cater to a broader audience and position yourself as a reliable brand in the natural food or cosmetics sector. Approximate investment $690. Machine number 10. Grain milling machine for flours or coffee. If you love fresh products, this machine is your best ally. With it, you can grind grains to produce freshly roasted coffee or artisanal flours, two products that always have high demand. Offer your products in local markets, cafes, or specialized stores, standing out for their freshness and quality. This business has a loyal audience, and with a good distribution strategy, you can easily scale it to new markets. Become the preferred supplier of fresh and natural products. Approximate investment $842. Machine number 11. Machine for making soft ice cream. The soft ice cream business is perfect for fairs, events, and small venues, where the public seeks quick and delicious options. With this machine, you can offer creamy ice creams customizable with toppings like fruits, cookies, or chocolate sauces. Differentiate yourself by creating exclusive or seasonal flavors. This business has high profit margins and is very versatile, as you can adapt it to a mobile cart or integrate it into a food venue. Plus, ice creams are a product that never goes out of style, ensuring constant demand throughout the year. Approximate investment $700. Machine number 12. Machine for making eco-friendly construction blocks. Sustainable construction is a growing trend, and this machine allows you to make eco-friendly blocks that are more economical and environmentally friendly. These blocks are ideal for small builders, green projects, and communities looking for innovative solutions. With this machine, you can serve an expanding market while contributing to the planet's care. Offer your blocks to local construction companies or directly to consumers who want to build more efficiently and responsibly. This business is not only profitable but also socially impactful. Approximate investment $2,550. Machine number 13. Churros making machine. Churros are a classic that never goes out of style, and with this machine you can make them in large quantities quickly and uniformly. Its versatility allows you to offer traditional churros or fill them with innovative options such as chocolate, dulce de leche, or pastry cream. This business is perfect for fairs, events, and crowded areas, since the churros are irresistible for both children and adults. Furthermore, the low cost of ingredients guarantees attractive profit margins. Add eye-catching packaging and visually appealing presentation to stand out and capture your customers' attention. A delicious and very profitable business. Approximate investment $220. Machine number 14. Sachet packaging machine. Offering products in individual portions is a rising trend, and this machine is perfect for businesses seeking practicality. You can pack sauces, spices, liquid soaps, or even cosmetic products in sealed sachets ready for use. This format is ideal for small food businesses, hotels, or distributors needing portable and economical packaging. With professional design on the sachets, you can elevate the quality perception of your brand and expand to new markets. A practical solution for entrepreneurs who want to stand out with accessible and easy-to-use products. Approximate investment $650. Machine number 15. Machine for making donuts. Donuts are a guaranteed success in any market. With this machine, you can produce classic or customized donuts, adding glazes, fillings, and unique decorations. Sell your products in cafes, fairs, or themed events, offering fresh and attractive options. It's a profitable business with low production costs and large profit margins. Let your creativity make you a customer favorite. Approximate investment $640. Machine number 16. Machine for making pellets or animal feed. Turn agricultural byproducts or wood waste into pellets. Ideal as eco-friendly fuel or balanced feed. This business is highly profitable in rural areas or for industrial markets, where sustainability is a priority. With this machine, you can serve farms, energy companies, or specialized stores, ensuring constant income in a growing sector. Approximate investment, $300. Machine number 17. Machine for making meat croquettes. This machine allows you to produce meat croquettes quickly and uniformly, saving time and effort in preparation. You can offer exclusive flavors, such as gourmet croquettes with special spices or traditional recipes. Sell your products fresh or frozen to restaurants, catering services, or directly to the public at markets and fairs. A simple business with high demand in the gastronomic sector. Approximate investment, $440. Machine number 18. Machine for making eco-friendly bags. Capitalize on the growing demand for sustainable products by making reusable bags with this machine. These customizable bags are ideal for companies, events, and environmentally conscious consumers. With attractive designs and quality materials, you can stand out in a booming market and contribute to the planet's care while building a profitable business. Approximate investment, $6,000. Machine number 19. Machine for making paper cups. With this machine, you can produce biodegradable cups that meet the demand of cafes, restaurants, and events looking for more ecological options. This business is booming due to increasing environmental awareness and regulations against plastic. Offer customizable cups for companies, differentiating yourself with unique and sustainable designs. A business with positive impact and great profitability. Approximate investment, $9,900. Machine number 20. Fruit pulp extraction machine. With this machine, you can produce fresh and natural fruit pulps like mango, passion fruit, or strawberry, ideal for juices, jams, or smoothies. Offer your products to restaurants, bars, or even create your own healthy food brand to sell directly to consumers. This business is perfect for those looking to capitalize on the trend of natural and preservative-free products. Approximate investment, $1,000. Machine number 21. Machine for making wire mesh. Wire mesh manufacturing is essential for fences and agricultural protection projects. With this machine, you can meet the demand of builders, farmers, and local infrastructure projects. It's a practical and profitable business in rural or urban areas where meshes are indispensable for security and space delimitation. Approximate investment, $2,500. Machine number 22. Lawn cutting machine. Start a gardening and maintenance business offering lawn cutting services with this machine. Ideal for residential areas, parks, or companies that need to maintain green spaces in good condition. It's a business with constant demand and easy to manage, perfect for entrepreneurs looking for recurring income. Approximate investment, $550. Machine number 23. Machine for making reusable coffee capsules. With this machine, you can produce reusable coffee capsules, a sustainable product gaining popularity worldwide. These capsules are ideal for consumers who love good coffee and want to reduce their environmental impact. Sell them to end customers or distributors interested in eco-friendly products. Plus, you can customize them for coffee brands, opening an even broader and more profitable market. Approximate investment, $7,500. Machine number 24. Drone spraying machine. Transform traditional agriculture with this machine that allows for efficient and modern crop spraying. Drones are especially useful in large plantations as they reduce work time and minimize chemical waste. Offer spraying services to farmers or rent the drone for them to use directly. This business combines technology with high demand in the agricultural sector, providing an excellent opportunity to innovate and grow. Approximate investment, $4,800. Machine number 25. Cold pressed juice machine. The premium juice market is booming, and this machine lets you produce natural beverages that preserve all the nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Offer your juices in gyms, cafes, or at healthy fairs, standing out with a brand that promotes health and well-being. You can customize your products with unique combinations and attractive packaging to attract a demanding audience. A refreshing and profitable business. Approximate investment, $1,500. These are the 25 most incredible machines to start a business from home or professionalize your business. With creativity and effort, Each one can help you reach your goals and become a successful entrepreneur. If you like this video, give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more business ideas like these. See you in the next video, entrepreneurs.